Hello everyone, my name is Yannick, and in the next few minutes I'm going to talk you through everything you need to know to use Social Plug as a creator. How to select the right campaign for you, how to request access, how to submit your photos, everything you need to know to hit the ground running. Let me quickly talk you through how Social Plug is set up. You have your account where you can make changes to your profile. You have your notifications where you can see every time something has changed about one of your campaigns. Then you have the post section where you can see all the different stages of each campaign that you're part of, as well as the content section where you can see if a company is waiting for content from you or if there's some approval that needs to be done. And finally, the campaign section, which should be the most interesting for you. On Social Plug, we separate campaigns into two different categories, local and online. Local campaigns is anything from businesses around you, so that could be a bar, a restaurant, a local charity shop, anything where you physically go to, whereas online campaigns are from brands that sell their products primarily online. You can switch freely between them, just have a look around, see if you find a campaign that you're interested in. If you want to find out more about a campaign, just click on it and you'll be given a list of all the information you need. So let's have a look together. First thing first, see the title of the campaign and a sort of description of what this campaign is about. In this case, it's about a pair of headphones. Here you'll also find what reward you'll be getting for this campaign, which can differ from company to company. Sometimes it's a discount code, sometimes it's money, sometimes it's a free product or maybe a free meal. The next category is visual direction, where the brand has uploaded pictures of the sort of images they're hoping to generate with this campaign. When you request access and later take pictures for this business, these are the pictures you should keep in mind when taking your own ones. Next up, we got what is probably the most important part of all of this is the content and caption guidelines. Here the brands will tell you everything they're expecting from your content. There's some further information that you can find here, for example, the Instagram handle, the sort of hashtags the brand wants you to use, and how long this campaign is active. Make sure that if you're interested in a campaign, request access quickly, just in case this campaign runs out or they run out of redemptions before that. If you found a campaign that you like, click request access. That lets the company know that you're interested in participating in this campaign. The business will have a look through your statistics, see if you're a right fit for the brand, and if you check your notifications, you'll find out if you've been approved for this campaign. If you have been accepted, head over to the post section and click on awaiting content. There you'll find all the campaigns that you can create content for. Select the campaign and select between the three options that you're given: single post, carousel post, or video. Click add image and you can choose between a picture you already have in your camera roll or take one in that moment. I'm just going to take one now. You can edit the picture in the app as well, frame it up a bit differently, and there you go. Now it's your turn to write a caption and use the appropriate hashtags. There's an easy function here, click copy caption, it will fill it out for you. Click the hashtags, they will fill out for you as well. You don't really have to do too much work. Obviously, you can play around with it, but if the company has in the content guidelines let you know that they want you to use a specific caption, you should keep to that. Otherwise, there will be a revision phase later on if the company isn't happy with what you decided to go for. Once you're done, click submit, and this will send your post to the company for approval. If they're happy with it, they'll approve it and it gets posted to your Instagram. If the company has some feedback for you, because maybe you didn't use all the hashtags that they wanted you to use, they'll let you know through a revision phase, which you'll find in the notifications as well. Make some changes to your post and send it back to them for approval, and then it should usually be sorted. And that's pretty much all that you need to know. When you first get Social Plug, we'll assign a trial campaign to you, so you can hit the ground running and immediately have a campaign that you can partake in. Once you've completed that campaign, you'll get access to all the other campaigns on the platform. If you have any questions, something's unclear to you, just reach out to us and we're happy to help. And good luck with your first campaign.